and welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm thrilled to introduce you an incredible AI tool. That groundbreaking tool allow you to bring your character to life in just a minute. It's an AI platform that let you craft vivid personality, animate them with a stunning realism, and explore endless creative possibilities. Whether you're an artist, designer, or a storyteller, it empowers you to create and transform like you never before. Let's dive in and explore it together. First, we will start with a free account. Simply click on the Start for Free option. To use this tool, you will need to sign in, and I will sign in with my Google account as always. Once signed in, you will need to accept the terms and conditions by selecting all the options. After that, you will be taken to the main interface. The interface has three panels. The first is for audio, the second is for the character customization, and other is for video creation. In audio panel, you can explore sound preset in various languages. Choose male or female voice and even upload or record your own audio. Note some premium sound required an upgrade. For now, I will select one of the free sound. Next, we will move to a character panel. Here you can upload an image. I will using my own image. You can zoom in, zoom out, adjust the image ratio and control the AI strength to customize your character as needed. Once your character is ready, head over to the video section, tap Generate Video. It may take a few minutes, but once completed, you can download the video, share its link. Let's play the video we just created.
Hey, this is Generative Coach channel. Please subscribe our channel to know about AI tools best for 2025.
Wow, the result is amazing and I'm genuinely impressed, and I think you will have to try this once. You should definitely give one chance to create your own stunning video with this AI tool. If you scroll down, you will find the library panel where all your projects are saved. From here, you can download or share your creation. Let's take a quick look at an upgrade plan. It offers different range from basic to professional, and with the free account, you can create up to 5 videos per day. That's plenty of opportunity to explore and experiment. So give a Hedra a try. Let your creativity shine. Share your creativity with us on our Instagram channel. Link in description. So that is for the today video. If you are interested in learning more about AI tool for graphic design, digital marketing, business productivity and more, don't forget to subscribe our channel Generative Coach. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and do comment and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in descriptions. Thank you for the watching and see you in the next video.